Here's a brief overview of the cocoa peat production process, from removing cocoa husks to extracting fiber. The separated husks are soaked in water, often in large soaking pits or tanks. This process softens the husk fibers and makes it easier to extract the cocoa peat and fiber. After soaking, the husks are fed into a decorticating machine, which beats and crushes the husks to separate the coir fibers from the cocoa peat. The longer fibers are separated for use in various products like ropes, mats, and brushes. The remaining material, a mixture of short fibers and cocoa peat, is further processed. The short fibers are sifted out, leaving behind the cocoa peat, which is a fine, granular material. The extracted cocoa peat is then dried, usually under the sun or in drying facilities. Proper drying is crucial to reduce moisture content, which is essential for quality and longevity. Once dried, the cocoa peat is screened to remove impurities and larger particles. It is then graded according to its particle size and quality, depending on its intended use. The processed cocoa peat is often compressed into blocks or briquettes for easier storage and transportation. These compressed forms expand when soaked in water and are used in various horticultural applications. Finally, the cocoa peat and coir fibers are packaged and made ready for distribution. This step-by-step process transforms raw coconut husks into valuable byproducts that are widely used in gardening, agriculture, and industry.